Hello students, this is your English Spiral book, right? And today we are going to discuss chapter number 15. What is chapter number 15? The name of the chapter number 15 is tense. There are three types of tenses. Okay, before starting the tenses, what is tense? Tense क्या होता है? Tense refers a time in a sentence. यानी कि tense हमें क्या बताता है? हमें किसी भी statement या sentence में टाइम के बारे में बताता है, यानी कि वो चीज़ कब हुई थी, कब होगी या हो चुकी है. ओके, that denotes all these things. That is called tense. So tense is a grammatical reference to the time in a sentence. It indicates the time when the situation or event took place. यानी कि वो हमें बताता है कि कब वो चीज़ सिचुएशन या वो इवेंट हुआ था. ओके, so there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense, past tense and future tense, they all are divided into four parts. Number one, simple present tense. Number two, present continuous tense. Number three, present perfect tense. And number four, present perfect continuous tense. In the same way, past simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Then future simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Okay, so in this way there are 4 and 4 total 12 types of tenses that we will study. Okay, so there are some points before we start the chapter. Verbs comes in three tenses: past tense, present tense and future. Before this chapter I have explained you कि what is verb. Verb is a doing or a action word, and before action या किसी भी चीज़ को करे हुए बच्चों कोई भी चीज़ कंप्लीट नहीं होती है. ओके, तो वर्ब इज़ ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. और वर्ब जो है वो थ्री टेंसेस में आती है, यानी कि या तो आप कुछ कर चुके हो, या करोगे, या करने वाले हो. ओके, द पास्ट इज यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब थिंग्स दैट हैव ऑलरेडी हैपेंड either earlier in the day, yesterday, last week, 3 years ago. The present tense is used to describe things that are happening right now or things that are continuous. Present tense कि अभी हो रही है या अभी होती चली जा रही है. Okay, and then the future tense describes the things that have yet to happen. Future means जो चीज़ आगे फ्यूचर में होगी, that we are describing later, tomorrow, next week, next year, 3 years from now, 4 days from now, after 4 days, after 10 days, right? After 15 days, so and so on. Okay, so now we will start the chapter, students. Present tense. So here it is: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so simple present tense describes subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. तो simple present tense को हम कैसे describe करते हैं? Subject होगा, helping verb जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था is, am, are, do, does, was, were, right? And main verb आपके action words, सब मेन वर्ब में डूइंग वर्ड्स दे ऑल कम इन मेन वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. Indicates an action that is generally true or habitual, that is, it took place in the past, continues to take place in the present and will take place in the future. These tense is used to donate. Okay, a habitual action, for instance, we walk to school. Journal truth, for instance, the sun rises in the east. Honesty is the best policy. A future event that is a part of a fixed timetable, for instance, the match starts at 9 o'clock. Okay, तो basically बेटा tenses क्या होते हैं? They are also an action that will happen, और या फिर either they have already took place in the past, पहले हो चुका है, और it will happen in the it is या अभी हो रहा है and keep on continuing, हो रहा है और होता रहेगा, और in future it will happen. Okay, so all these things denote simple present tense. Then the affirmative forms of simple present tense. Now the affirmative forms of simple present tense, यानी कि simple sentences को हम किस form में कहेंगे? दो I, you, we and they. When we use all these words, we will use the first form of verb. Okay, and with he, she, it, we will put with the third person singular, third person singular, we will put s with the verb. Okay, यहाँ पे वो सिर्फ play था, यहाँ पे plays हो गया. When we are using he, she, it, लेकिन he, she, it singular होना चाहिए. Okay, so remember the verb in the third person singular he, she, it always take an s. For example, he plays, she sings, it works, they run, we talk. Okay, like that, and so on. So now turn the page. For example, other examples are Nancy and Jane. Now they are two persons, so it is plural form. Speak good German. Nancy now a single person, works in a restaurant downtown. The children play in the garden every weekend. Okay, so children itself is a plural form. So in plural form, verb will comes in a first form only, and in singular form it will add s with it. Okay, now the interrogative form of a simple present tense. Interrogative form यानी कि questioning words. जब हम in question करते हैं, then what we have to do? We will use do with I, you, we, they, and first form of verb and question mark. Okay, and when we will use does, we will use does with he, she, it, singular person. Do with we use always with plural person, and does we use with always singular person. Okay, then we will use does, and the verb will always यहाँ पर बच्चों s put on नहीं होगा. It will be only in the first form of verb and question mark. Okay, example: helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. Okay, so do you speak good German? Question mark. Does Nancy work in a restaurant downtown? Question mark. Okay, like I have explained कि do always comes with plural sentences. Okay, and does always comes with singular persons. Okay, now in the negative form of the simple present tense, I, you, we, they, we use do not or don't. Okay, he, she, it, we will use does not, doesn't, and the first form of verb. Okay, for example, no, I don't speak German, so she doesn't work in a restaurant downtown. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus main verb and object. Okay, this is the formula that we have to keep in our mind while making the negative sentence in a present form. Okay, so the use of simple present tenses. Now we will start the use of simple present tenses. How we will use it? The simple present tense is used to give your opinion, to talk about schedules, etc. Okay, your habit or facts, like to give your opinion, I like ice cream, I don't like spicy food. Talk about schedules, the library opens at 8, it does not, doesn't open at 7. To talk about daily habits, routine action, Sarah eats a cheese for breakfast every day. She doesn't eat cereals. To give facts, the earth circles the sun, the moon doesn't circle the sun. Okay? Now, the spelling of the third person singular forms of the simple present tense. Okay, all the verb take an S in the simple present tense when conjugated in the third person singular. Okay, like we have, I told you this about this point earlier also, कि when it is coming with singular, third person singular, he, she, it, as comes, if it is singular, then it will come, verbs will come with adding s also. But if it is coming in a plural form, third person plural form, I, you, we, they, then it always comes with first form. Usme we will not add s in the verb. Okay, for example, I visit my parents every summer holiday, but my wife visits her parents every weekend. I is a plural form, that's why only visit. My wife is a third person, so visits it comes. Okay, my brother meets his girlfriend every day. Okay, my brother, only one, we are talking about one person, so it comes with s. So there are, however, some special cases. Here are the spelling rules. Some special cases भी होते हैं बच्चों, जिसमें आपका कुछ verbs will be changed. Like silent e, when there is a silent e, close का closes, note notes. When the vowel plus y, vowel के बाद लास्ट में लास्ट वर्ड y है और उससे पहले vowel है, then we will add s. Play, plays, say, says. When consonant are there before y and the last word is y, then what we do, we put ies. Study, studies, marry, marries. Verbs ending in o, the verbs that ending with o, so we add es. Go, goes, do, does. Okay, verbs ending in as, z, sh, t, ch, ch, then what we will do, we just put es. Miss, misses. Buzz, buzzes. Hatch, hatches. Finish, finishes. Teach, teaches. Okay, teach, teaches. Okay, so now turn the paper. Now just for example, she drives to work every morning. Okay, she hai, that's why it comes drives. He says he plays football on the weekends. Okay, things to remember about the simple present tense. Now there are some things that we have to remember about simple present tense. What are they? Number one, in the interrogative form we use do or does. Do you like the house? Question mark. Does you go to school? Question mark. Okay. Verb never takes an s in the negative and interrogative form. When verbs are in negative or in a interrogative form, यानी कि question words हैं, then it never comes with s form. It will always come in a simple first form. Like, does he speak German? Do they play soccer? She does not like ice cream. Don't is the short form of do not. You can say either I do not speak Italian or I don't speak Italian. Both things are same. Do not or don't. Doesn't is the short form of does not. You can say either he does not listen to jazz music or he doesn't listen to jazz music. Okay, so there 4 points we have to remember. Okay, when it is in a simple informative sentences, then when the singular forms are coming, third person singular, then we will put as with the verbs, and with the plural forms we will not put as in the verb. Okay, then in interrogative form we use do and does. Do we use with plural ones, and does with we use with third person he, she, it. Okay, with singular persons. Never comes, never takes as with in negative and interrogative forms. Do not is a short form of don't, and doesn't is a short form of does not. Okay, so now let's do the exercise. Put the verbs between brackets in the correct form. Okay, Jane is a single person. Not और drink हमें इसमें use करना है. तो Jane single है तो does not drink tea very often. Okay. What time the banks open? अब banks है यानी कि we are not talking about one, we are talking about more than one. तो what times do banks open in Britain? Question mark. Where John come? Where does John come from? Okay. Now next page. It take dash me an hour to get to work. It takes. Okay. She not wake. She is a singular person, so does not wake up early on Sundays. Okay. So we have to just remember a few points and do the exercise. Now exercise number B. Tick the correct word form of verb in the sentences given below. Ram love या loves chocolates. क्या आएगा बच्चों? Ram is a singular person. Yes, loves. The girl dance या dances well. Which one will come? Dances. The teacher teach or teaches us grammar. Teaches us grammar. The baby cries for milk. The baby cries for milk because they all are in a singular. Okay. They, now it's a plural form. They grow vegetables. Birds fly in the sky. Okay. So this is the first form of simple present tense that we have completed, part 1. In the next video we will start with the present continuous tense. Thank you.